Meet MEX, maintenance software built for growing, asset-intensive operations that need more than basic work order management. MEX brings together equipment, maintenance, inspections, inventory, and operational data in one platform, helping maintenance teams reduce downtime, improve traceability, stay audit ready, and do more with less. That's why organizations of all sizes choose MEX. More than a work order system, MEX connects equipment, maintenance, inspections, inventory, and your existing systems, giving you the visibility and control to stay ahead of problems before they impact operations. MEX is designed for the way technicians work. Easy-to-use mobile and offline workflows help teams work faster and capture better data. Turn maintenance data into action with AI-powered insights, reporting, and dashboards. For more than 30 years, maintenance teams worldwide have trusted MEX. From implementation, integration, and support, we're committed to helping customers succeed. Because great maintenance software is more than technology. It's about giving maintenance teams the tools they need and the support they count on. Built for maintenance teams, backed by people who care. Experience MEX for yourself. Start your free trial today.